Hello everyone, welcome to Topper IAS. So as part of our daily series, today also we will be, seeing few of the important news that made headlines in Hindu. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one is with respect to labor codes. So the heading is with the government keen on implementing labor codes. Okay. So what is the thing is like Indian government to overall, entire archaic labor regulations had brought in 4 labor codes. And what these regulation did was they consolidated 44 labor laws under 4 categories of codes, namely in terms of labor code on wages, labor code on social security, and we have a code on occupational safety, health and working conditions code. Then we have industrial relations code. So these codes have been already passed. Thing is now government want to implement the rules also for the labor laws. Thing is there is a no, that labor is a concurrent subject, concurrently subject. Okay, so both center and state have to pass the rules. Okay, so that's why it is getting bit of delay, but government is now very keen to implement the labor codes. What becomes important is remember the labor codes. Okay, so we will be we have dealt in detail of related to labor codes in our main series. Do follow that series to have a complete understanding issue related to labor reforms also. Okay, so already ministry had even finalized the rules under the 4 codes, but these could not be implemented because many states were not in a position to notify rules under the codes in the jurisdiction. So why? And the thing is, labor is on the concurrent list of the constitution. Therefore, both center and states have to notify rules under these 4 codes to make them laws of the land. Okay, in respect to jurisdiction. So remember the concurrent list, labor, and 4 codes, and you need to know at least specific few provisions of the codes. Questions can be asked in prelims. Okay, factual questions. And next news is with respect to performance grading index. So performance grading index, it is being brought out by Department of School Education and Literacy within Ministry of Education. Okay, so it has designed progressive performance grading index with a set of 70 parameters. Okay, there are 70 parameters within the index. So what is the purpose? The intention of coming with such an index is to to provide insights on the status of school education in states and duties. Okay, and once that, and also give critical areas that needs to be improved. Okay, that drive their performance and critical areas for improvement, so that this can act as a catalyze transformational change in the field of school education. So the first such index was published in 2019 with a reference year 2017-18. Now this is the third publication in this series. So in the series, Punjab, TNA, and Tamil Nadu and Kerala top the education index ranking. So remember, so relatively education system in terms of states, Punjab and Tamil Nadu, Kerala have a better standards with respect to education. Okay. So exercise, the main exercise intention of performance grading index is undertaking multi-pronged interventions wherever there are issues, and identify the issues, and then come out with the interventions so that you can improve on the shortcomings and also prioritize areas for the development. Okay, then we have new IT rules only to tackle misuse of social media, offer redressal forum. So this statement was made by Union Minister. So what government is clarifying that guidelines are meant to deal with the issue of misuse of social media platforms. Okay, and they only give redressal mechanism to users with complaints to be handled between the users and the social media intermediary. And ordinary users of WhatsApp have nothing to fear on the issue of tracing the originator of messages. So, you know, government has come out with IT rules under IT Act. Okay, so there have been issues with respect to this. We have seen the guidelines which are part of IT rules. We have also made, you know, a detailed analysis of what is the necessity of bringing, you know, social media under regulations, a number of issues. Okay, and we have already dealt with this all social media and IT rules in detail. So you can refer to it again, you know, by going to this link. Okay. So that's it for today. You can also download the PDF of this document in the link that is given below. Okay. Thank you.